Mimi. I am Miriam Shitu, and today we'll be diving into the world of hard sounds and soft sounds. Let's C and G. So sit back and enjoy learning with Mimi. So, what are the rules for pronouncing soft C and hard C? When letter C comes before O, it's pronounced as K. When letter C comes before A, you pronounce it as K. When it comes before U, you pronounce it as K. And when it comes before L and R, you also pronounce it as K. What about the soft sounds? When letter C comes before I, E, and Y, we pronounce it as soft. And what's the sound? We pronounce it as S. Take it again, we pronounce it as S. So the hard C is pronounced as K, while the soft C is pronounced as S. Okay, now what about the examples? Before we go to examples, we also have all the categories of soft C. Remember, I told you that soft C can be pronounced as sh. What about examples? We have champagne. We have it in special. So letter C makes the sound sh in special. Letter C as ch. We have it in church. We have it in chalk. So this is letter C making the sound ch. What about letter C making the sound K? We have it in crayon. We have it in chemistry. And we have it in cat. Okay, let's dive into soft C. C before I. We have it in city. C before E. We have it in scent. And C before Y. We have it in cyclone. So these are examples of words with soft C. Let's get to hard G. When does G makes the sound G? When G comes before O, U, A, L, and R, letter G will be pronounced as G. Again, I take it again. Letter G will be pronounced as G. Examples. G before A, we have it in game. G before O, we have it in gut. G before U, we have it in gun. G before L, we have it in globe. G before R, we have it in grass. So these are examples of words with hard G. What about soft G? We have G before Y. We have it in gym.